Welcome. Let's understand various power transmission levels. The electric power system of today can be assigned to 5 levels: local, regional, national, international and intercontinental. This table shows various type of power transmission levels, example, typical distances, typical voltage levels and typical current. Now let's see various type of power transmission one by one. This is a local level power transmission. The local level, level A, of the electric power system, has close reach to the consumers, with a typical distance of up to 10 kilometers. Three-phase electric systems of 400 VAC are used today. This is a regional level. The regional level, level B, can be identified as covering a region, typically a city and the surrounding area. The reach of such a region is typically up to 100 kilometers. The voltage levels are below 132 kV and large power generation units are installed inside this region. Power producers in a region may be private or public entities owned by the city or regional organization. These larger companies, compared with the local power producers, own larger power generation units and operate higher voltage level transmission and distribution lines to serve more customers in a larger area. At the regional level, several voltage levels have been introduced: 1 kV, 3 kV, 4.5 kV, 12 kV, 15 kV, 20 kV, 33 kV, 66 kV, and some more voltage levels between these values can be found around the world. These many steps in voltage levels represent the technical development of insulating materials. Today, the international standardization defines distribution voltages as 1 to 52 kV. This is a national level. The national level, level C, of electric power supply can often be identified with national borders of countries or parts of countries. In some countries, the electric power supply was seen as a national task, and public or government-owned power companies have been formed with governmental regulations. The typical reach of a national power supply level has distances up to 500 to 1000 kilometers, and in consequence, voltage levels reached values of 420 kV in Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and parts of South America and Asia, and 550 kV in North America, Japan, parts of South America, Asia, and Africa. This is an international level. The international, level D, can be identified with an area of several countries or larger regions. The level 4 network is used to stabilize the power transmission network in total, and to offer network stability. Historically, the development of level 4 was meant to connect regions with high voltage lines for emergency situations, when power generation was lost in one country or region. In case of power losses because of interruptions in generation or interruption of transmission lines, the connection to the neighboring region supports the network and keeps it stable. The typical reach of this international level is about 3,000 kilometers. This is an intercontinental level. The intercontinental level, level E. This layer needs higher voltages to cover the long distances of up to 3,000 kilometers of electric reach for such intercontinental power transmission. These very long distances require the advantages of high voltage DC power transmission, which offers low power transmission losses. As part of this intercontinental power transmission level, the first installations are already in place in different parts of the world. The intercontinental level is certainly will be more into the future, but current projects in China and India show that it is technically and economically feasible. Thank you for your attention and time. More stuff coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe.